In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a batch payment in Xero. This process is invaluable for anyone handling multiple payments at once, saving you the hassle of treating each invoice individually. Let's dive into the details. First, you'll want to open up Xero. Once you have access to your account, head over to the dashboard. Here, you will find the panel labeled Purchases and click on it. From the drop-down that appears, select Bills. This section is specifically designed to help you manage and track all invoices efficiently. Upon entering the Bills section, direct your attention to the tab labeled Awaiting Payment. In this area, you'll see a list of bills that are pending settlement. This is where you can compile multiple payments into one. Now scroll through your list of bills and decide how many payments you would like to batch. For the sake of this example, let's say you choose 2. Simply click on the corresponding checkboxes next to each bill you wish to include in your batch payment. After selecting the bills, find the option that says Make Payment and click on it. This action brings you one step closer to processing your batch payment. Now you will see the choice for a batch payment. Click on this to proceed and ensure that you have grouped all your selected bills together. Once you've completed the previous steps, hit Continue to advance. Here, you'll need to specify the details of your batch payment. Start by choosing a payment date. Be mindful of timing, as setting the right date is crucial for ensuring your payments do not clash with any other scheduled permissions in your financial plan. Next, it's time to select the bank account you want to use for these transactions. Make sure it's an account that comfortably covers the total amount of the batch. Verifying this beforehand avoids any potential overdrafts or penalties. After you've sorted out the payment date and bank account, it's time to type in the payment details. This includes things like references or notes that might clarify the payment for your records or for the recipient. Accurate details ensure that your financial records remain precisely organized and easy to audit. Finally, when you're satisfied that all the information is correct, click the Make Payments button. This will initiate the processing of your batch payment, and Xero will handle the distribution of funds accordingly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully sent a batch payment in Xero, streamlining your account's payable process. This method not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of errors when dealing with multiple invoices. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps make your Xero experience even more efficient.